Good morning, everyone. My name is Natalie, and we are here at UF Law for Admitted Students Day, and we would like to say congratulations to the class of 2021. So I am here with the student recruitment team, and this is my buddy, Danny.
Hey, guys.
We are both 1Ls, and we are your tour guides for today.
Hi, are we on? Okay, hi, I'm Professor Lear. I teach civil procedure in the first year and some other courses in the upper level, and so I'm supposed to give you advice, incoming students. The first one is make a lot of really good friends. These are your people you're going to know for the rest of your life, okay?
Go.
Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm a 1L here, and I'm the co-exec chair of the UF Law Alternative Spring Break program.
And I'm Jessica. I am the president of Outlaw, our LGBTQ organization.
Our second tip for you is to get to know your professors. Go to office hours.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Batten, and I'm a 2L here at UF Law. And my advice to give the incoming 1Ls is to get to know both the 2Ls and 3Ls. If you're interested in trying out for a journal or law review or moot court, they're a great resource to have.
My advice to incoming 1Ls during that summer: vacation. Enjoy it as much as possible. Spend time with your family. I was in Spain for 3 weeks before 1L, and I needed that experience. You're going to need it before 1L.
Just wanted to give a quick shout out to all of our alumni and to thank you for all that you do for us, and go Gators!